Yeah, I feel like I ain't seen y'all in a minute. Yeah, whatever. I just saw y'all yesterday. Yo, salute to everybody still rocking with your boy. I appreciate y'all. All right, today, yo, we got some new hoodies. These are the hoodies that I'm gonna be using for the mock homie hoodies for me and my crew. But I never used this brand before. We're gonna open up this bag together, y'all, and see what it's hitting for. All right. Then we're gonna go up to the lab and get some of these joints pressed up. All right, boom. I spoke about this brand the other day. And here it is, y'all. We went with the Blank Nights joint. All right. This is a white one. So I'm gonna pull it out and see what kind of quality, you know, they working with. All right. Now, excuse me, the plastic's making a wild noise. Now, they call this the heavyweight hoodie. And just off of feel, nah, to me, this ain't heavyweight. This is more like a lightweight or a middleweight style hoodie. All right, it says it's material wise, it's 80% cotton, 20% polyester, so basically a cotton poly blend. All right, doesn't look bad. All right, outside of you know, calling something heavyweight that's actually this light, I wouldn't call this heavyweight. If I was him, I would definitely call it like a middleweight, but it's definitely not heavyweight. All right. I think on the website it was listed at a little bit over 10 ounces, if I'm not mistaken. But the strings on the hood look good. The metal ring eyelets look good on the hood. All right, they got the plastic tips on the strings, not the metal aglets. That's not a problem either. Now, one good thing is though, and we're gonna make it do what it do. It's gonna come out fire. I already know. Price point, yo, wise, with, like I said, with no wholesale account, them joints is $11, yo. Are they worth $11? Absolutely. Absolutely. Would I build my brand around those hoodies? Nah. But if you're doing like a one-off or like a sample or some shit like that, or you actually doing like what I'm gonna be doing with these joints, yeah, of course. You know, you're just making a few, and that's that. But when I do sell, if I do sell these joints, you know, like let's say I wanted to sell them to, you know, any one of y'all that may want like the mock homie design, I'm not going to use Blank Nights, because, you know, I'm used to a certain quality, you know, that I use for my brand, and I'm gonna go with that. My hoodies is way heavier than these, trust me, way heavier. So I got some whites, I got some blacks, and if you're new to the channel, man, you know, make sure you hit that thumbs up, make sure you hit that bell notification, all that good shit, man. But the way I'm going to be applying the application is via DTF. I'm going to be using DTF on these joints, and I got them right here. All right, if you don't, if you're unfamiliar with DTF, you know, I'll add a playlist to this video so y'all can see I've used DTF in the past. I've used plastic salt transfers in the past. Oh, I've done it. Yo, if you knew, I've done it all. If you've been here for a minute, you know I've done it all. Okay, but with DTF, you know, they're vibrant. You get a lot of bang for your buck, and the company, or one of the companies I've been using, is pretty good, and I truly appreciate all the artwork I've been submitting to them. Everything just been coming out proper. So let's go ahead and open up the roll. The roll's mad big, y'all. I can't pull out, you know, everything and show you. The roll damn near bigger than the room I'm standing in right now. All right, so here's the roll. And just off the colors alone, I already know. Like, I already know the quality of what I'm about to unroll, man. Like, if you just look at that, like, look at the colors on that thing. Look how vibrant that is. Like, man, let's get to one of the pictures. Let's get to one of the pictures of Mock. See, this thing is like humongous. Okay, now where is it? Where's Mock at? Where is he? Look at that. Look at that. Look how vibrant that came out, yo. Look at that. Huh? Look how vibrant that came out. So we're gonna get these things pressed up and try one of them on. All right, y'all. I'll press up one white and one black for y'all. All right. So we're gonna do the back first. All right, let this joint cool real quick. Rub it a little bit to speed up the process. Yeah, I'm just being lazy. I'm gonna go get my other tripod. I don't like the way this is looking. Cool a little bit. Let's peel it. Wow. Wowzers. Now let's just get one extra press with the Teflon sheet. Get 3 seconds. Damn, that shit fire, y'all. It's fire. Look at this. Look at all the details in that joint. That joint fire. And that's just the back. Let me go get my other tripod. My bad, y'all. Look, that's better. See them colors? All right. we just gonna bang, we just gonna bang the front out so you can see how mock look. Then we'll do the sleeves last. And now with something like this too, like if you're worried about the size of the image on the front of the hoodie, what I like to do is I measure from the top of the hood to the top of the pouch, going across your stomach. That's how I size. I try to get, my image within inside that parameter, so nothing's overlapping on the pouch. Don't get it twisted though. You gotta be careful because, like, the distance between the bottom of the hood or around your neck area and the top of the pouch on your stomach is different per size garment as well. So be mindful of that. You might have to take a few different measurements if you plan on making like different sizes. Me, I don't make smalls, so my fault. I do make smalls, but those are that's like my least selling size per se. So I don't sell like a lot of smalls, so I don't make a lot. Yo, I killed this design. You can already see, and I ain't even bring it up close yet, that shit came out fire. Yo, it's so clean. It almost looked like sublimation. Check that out. Let's bust these sleeves. Camera had died, but we got one sleeve done. Let's get that other sleeve done. All right. There you go. Got that homie. Yo, this hoodie came out tough. I'll try it on for y'all in a minute. Because of storage issues and stuff like that and my battery, I'm just gonna get one of these black joints made up and I'll just show you guys the finished product. I mean, once you see me make one, you already know the process. So y'all stay tuned. All right, give me a minute. All right, what y'all think about that black one? How that black one came out? Sleeves. All right, so I'm gonna try, I'm gonna try these joints on just to see how these blank nights fit. Yo, it is mad comfortable. It's definitely mad comfortable. Hood is bigger than I thought. Hood foot good. Design came out fire. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. This Blank 9 hoodie is definitely is worth copping, man. It's worth like looking into. The hood on the pouch is straight. I got on this one right here, this particular white one is a 2X. And I feel like I could have got a XL and it still would have been straight. But yeah, I like it. Check out the back. I like it. Let me throw on that. Yo, this hoodie's so fire. Yo, let me throw in the black one real quick. Yo, man, this black one's so fire, yo. This black one tough. Now, when I was ordering, they didn't have the black in the 2X. I guess they had ran out. But, so I sized up. And went with the 3. Honestly, I don't feel much of a difference from the 3 and the 2. The white 2X actually felt a little bit more loose than this 3X. I'm just weird. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Well, the hood on the 3X it feels way bigger, but down like around like the waist and the stomach area, you can't really tell that much of a difference, man. But let me know what y'all think about the design. If you rock with Mock Homie, let me know. Leave it in the comments. All right, so once again, if you new, this is DTF. This is how DTF will come out if you use this application. And yes, you can do, as you can see, you can do portraits. And that's gonna be it for this one, y'all. Hey, I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. You're coming back every day. And I'll see you tomorrow, man. I ain't got shit to do.